Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids. You can get this product on Amazon for about $600. Check out the link in the description. My first impression of the charging case and the hearing aids is very positive. Included in the set are the hearing aids, the charging case, a charging cable, various sizes of domes, a package of wax guards, a multifunction tool pen, a quick start guide and a user manual. The hearing aids are over-the-counter devices designed for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. They are FDA registered in the US and no prescription is required to purchase them. Thanks to the large selection of ear domes, you can easily find the right fit. A quick start guide and user manual tell you everything you need to know about the hearing aids and how to use them. First, you have to remove the protectors from both hearing aids and fully charge them. The charging time to fully charge the case and the hearing aids is about 2.5 hours. Setting up the hearing aids is very easy. First you have to download the free ELEHEAR app and create an account. The app is very easy to use and has a lot of different features. I tested the hearing aids for about 4 weeks and I think it's a very good product. They are very comfortable to wear and they work pretty good. So if you are looking for some good quality over-the-counter hearing aids, with a very good sound quality, music mode and Bluetooth, I would recommend the ELEHEAR Beyond Pro hearing aids. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.